What picture is this taking? I don't even know.
This is recording, Father.
It's recording? Oh, this is recording.
Oh, no.
Who knew? Hey, this is the kitchen staff. Okay. Yeah, we find them locally at street corners. They queue up and...
And they have an apron.
Oh, there they go. Okay. Yes. Okay.
My almonds?
Yes.
I just have them, but... will you do
And a happy Thanksgiving to you.
Hey. Wait, are you taking a video?
No,
Oh, okay,
it's a still picture.
Oh.
But the flash isn't working.
Very still.
Yes, very still. Yes, yes. So, happy Thanksgiving? Maybe. Okay. And what would you say on the subject?
Looks like a video to me.
It looks like a video. Okay, you got it. Hey! Very astute. Very astute.
Son of a bee.
Son of a bee. Oh!
Jenny, then you don't have
Okay.
walnuts.
Ah, look at Veronica. Veronica.
Disgusting.
She's the cooking. She be a cooking. Look at
Like
that.
throw up.
Wow. Okay.
My mother wants it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I guess you can't. Oh, you can't zoom it. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can zoom in.
No, not while you're filming. Okay, let's see what's going. Yeah, Laura, what's going on with the kids?
They're alive. Do we have any
Are
chalk?
they still alive? Alicia thought that I left them outside by themselves.
You did. Is there any chalk downstairs?
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, I'd have to find that.
Go look. Go videotape
Okay,
that.
well, I'm going down here now. Okay, let's see. Videotaping, continuing the videotaping. Oh, okay. Oh, I hate to say it, but I can't even see you. You're in a chair. Holy shit. Oh, man. I want to see how this comes out. Oh, man. Oh, okay. And we end with the...